大家好，我是3年14班的吴映贤，很高兴能和大家分享《The Dead Bird》这本书。The bird was dead when the children found it. But it had not been dead for long. It was still warm and its eyes were closed. The children felt with their fingers for the quick beat of the bird's heart in its breast. But there was no heart beating. That was how they knew it was dead. 扑通扑通 And even as they held it, it began to get cold, and the lamp bird's body grew stiff, so they couldn't bend its legs, and the head didn't flap when they moved it. 法医小教室。尸僵是肌肉细胞死后的化学反应导致肌肉僵硬与收缩的现象，造成这种结果的化学反应则是三磷酸腺苷 ATP 从肌肉流失。首先，我们先来简单认识一下三磷酸腺苷 ATP。三磷酸腺苷 ATP 是肌肉活动的能量，没有它，我们的肌肉便无法收缩。随着死亡时心跳停止，便不再提供 ATP。死亡时，三磷酸腺苷 ATP 指数下滑，肌肉便收缩硬化，形成尸僵。尸僵大约在2小时内开始，整个过程则需大约12小时。此时体内还有 ATP， 所以尸体还是软软的。当 ATP 消耗完时，届时尸体就会完全僵硬，固定在死亡时的姿势。这种状态往往会再延续12小时，这叫做尸僵的僵硬期。这个过程接下来就会反转，尸体以同样的模式变得不再僵硬。这个过程又需费时大约12小时左右，此时的肌肉变得瘫软，称之为尸僵的松弛期。不专业法医小教室的示意图，简单来说长这样。所以，其实绘本中你只翻到下一页，但实际上那只鸟已经死了12个小时了。感谢大家的收看，拜拜。